You can't go to India without being overwhelmed by the delicious spices. First up, samosa and vada pav, best enjoyed off the streets of Mumbai. After numerous warnings to avoid street food, I couldn't resist and I ate there anyway, and to everyone's surprise, my Western tummy held up perfectly. Even Towen's parents were apprehensive about my adventurous palate, but they seemed pretty pleased with their chole and paratha. All around India, tourists would stop and watch me eat with my hands, all surprised I was excited to do it. No one prepared me for what I was about to taste here. This is a palate cleanser wrapped up in a palm leaf. There's plenty of spices, and it creates quite the minty aftertaste. So I trusted my friends, crossed my fingers, and stuffed the whole thing in my mouth. It was so sweet of my sister-in-law Megha's parents to make me a homemade version of pani puri, which are crunchy little balls filled with potatoes, lentils, and finished with a spicy chutney. Also, best enjoyed eaten all at once. No need for a special early morning trip to the docks in India. You can get fish delivered fresh to your doorstep every few days. Upon visiting all of our relatives, they welcomed their homes and their tables with many, many dishes. I was so amazed by how many different dishes they created for just one meal. And they never let our plates go empty. They were standing around watching. As soon as the last bite was taken, I'd have another full scoop. Thanks, guys! How was I supposed to order when I really just wanted one of everything? No need to worry about the spice level. I can take it. Here it is, the pivotal part of my trip to India, eating from a banana leaf. Coming to restaurants like this, you get a banana leaf placed in front of you, and then people come around and just dish rice and countless curries and meats onto your leaf. You better believe I ate every piece. Once again, eating with my hands caused quite the commotion. The table next to us of 4 sweet ladies could not stop watching and laughing and even asked if they could take a video of me eating. They were so nice. For our Instagrammable moment, the famed Ramali Roti. Didi, is that you? This roadside delicacy comes with its very own entertainment, watching them grind the sugarcane juice right from the stalk. After enjoying coconut egg, I was quickly handed coconut dough, coconut teen to enjoy. Thanks, Shali Auntie. Time for desserts. I'll take a jalebi, please. After traveling through over 6 cities, the greatest thing we had was Towen's mom's handmade biryani. We came home with the recipe, have given it a few tries, but we have a little ways to go. We'll get there someday. Across India, we tried countless dishes from different places and different spice levels. I had so much fun tasting my way through India. And a special thanks to all of the family and friends who made these dishes possible for us. Bahut bahut shukriya, Nani. Thank you so much. I'll be back soon. To check out more of our India trip, like and subscribe. And for behind the scenes tidbits, check out our Instagram.